Hi guys, and welcome to this educational stock analysis video for the day. So in this video I'll be talking about the today's intraday trade analysis what I did today. So I'll be showing you where I took the entry, exit and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And also, as you guys can see here, we trade without any indicators by using simple and unique strategies. Okay, so we'll be quickly doing the Nifty 50 analysis for the day, how the market has performed and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And also, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course, with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set to make you as a profitable trader, and the course prices are very reasonably priced. You get everyday live market personal support as well. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me. So guys, by being said that, now let's discuss about the today's trade what I have done. So today I have traded on TechM. Okay, so TechM today it was a buy around 1290. So here is a buy point, and 1275. So somewhere over here was a sell point. Okay, so this was the trade what I have taken according to my study and the strategy. So if you guys can see here clearly, the buy side has triggered and stop loss has it, and I manage a stop loss and target ratio always. So I just kept my target and the stop loss the stop loss for this trade was around like 4 points. So it came down 4 points and I took my exit, and later 1275 came and I just took my short sell entry around here 1275, and later, as you guys can see, from here the stock has started to come down and it came down till almost 1260. So almost 15 points is the low what it has made today. So I got my target here and I booked the target and I recovered the loss, and the profit has hit here in the selling side in TechM. So this is how TechM performed today. And now let's quickly see how the Nifty 50 ad opened for the day. So if you guys can see, Nifty 50 today opened at 0.16% up. Advances stocks were 38, declines were only 7, and unchanged is 5. So by seeing that, we thought that the market can be bullish today. And yes, today the opening was a bullish kind of a momentum, but the ending was a bit bearish today. Minus 0.17 is where the Nifty 50 closed today in a bearish side. But you can see at least till 2 o'clock or 2:30 the market was in a bullish side today. So this is how the market performed. But till here it got a resistance side from here, and then the market came down at the ending of the day. So almost if you see till 2 o'clock to 2:15 the market was actually in a bullish side. It was maintaining. Okay, but later the market crashed and came down today. So this is how the market performed for the day. And if we quickly see the Nifty IT indices with versus the TechM stock, so TechM comes under Nifty IT indices. So we are just comparing the indices versus the stock chart here, if you guys can see. So the same thing has been happened here. So the 15 minutes, after the 15 minutes has completed, even here you can see the next candle became a big green candle. So that's the reason why the spike came even in TechM as well. So after that spike came in, even the Nifty 80 started going down. So even the TechM also started declining here. So this is how the Nifty IT index has performed for the day, and also the stock performed for the day. Okay, so anyway, we were able to book a good trade today. Okay, so even though the stop loss has hit in one single side, other side we were able to recover and make the profit. So if you guys want to learn all this concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading and the stock selection process, and how to pick a proper stocks, how to make a proper entry in intraday trading, I'll be guiding you all these things in my course once you join us. Okay, so these are the very unique strategies and simple and straightforward strategies which I'll be guiding you. So you can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me about all these things. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.